Hi, it's Doll Shark 1000, and I'm going to show you my doll's first haircut. On Elizabeth, she got a longer haircut. Yeah, we cut more hair off of her. Let me just get her, as you can see. She had a lot of split ends when I got her, and I've been dying to cut those things off. But now her beautiful hair is not like that, you see? It's perfect. I love it. It's way smoother just now. Yeah. Jessica, she had some split ends, not as many. And, 1 minute. Yeah. And anyway. Okay. Keone and Elizabeth and Allison didn't need their haircut. These are my 3 newest dolls. I got Elizabeth when I was 8 years old. Now I'm 9. I got Jessica when I was 5 or 6. I'll have to do a lot of math in my head to figure out how. But yeah, you should see my room update because a lot of it just got switched around and it's going to even get switched more around and blah blah blah. Why is there a book in my bathroom? I do not know. But I hope, just some updates, I'm just walking around my room. I hope soon that I could get like a school video and an update of their school classroom. 1 minute. We're going to see like pitch black right now. Just turning the slide on so you can see. Okay. Right now, puppies aren't that potty trained, so they can't get into my room, and I'm recording. Bye bye. And right. Bye. Stop. Stop. And right here, it's gonna be like just something like maybe another bedroom after I get a lot of dolls. And I am making, I'm making a lot of stuff for my dolls. I am making, like, you know how some people have like an animal pillow? Like, I have a pig pillow pet, cause don't make fun of me, but pig's my favorite animal. I love them, especially piglets. I just love them. They're so cute. And I want to get them like a gymnastics stadium. Allison goes to gymnastics, and Bella was cheerleading. And so they didn't start school yet. Well, they are now, but these 2 gotta go to school. So, oh my gosh, it's 8 o'clock, basically. So that's just my update. But eventually I'll show you an update of my room. It was very short. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and bye!